Arwakeni machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng' Awuor. Ikruok koro osetieki e alap tuke mar Raila Odinga e kaunti ma Homa Bay ne nyasi mar Madaraka ma 62 midhi telie gi jatend piny William Ruto odiechieng' makiny. Komishona mag gwenge mag Nyasa Flora Moroa oyango ni alap tuke no kiny ne yaw ne jopiny duto mondo chak donje sa 9 mar kogwen kendo idhi lore sa 11 ma kogwen. Moroa okone jopiny mondo mi oyuora nyaka gine ni sa 9 kogwen oyudogi e alap nero ma bende okoni weg nyamburko mawuok Kisumu kadhi Homa Bay e yoregi ma ok otenore nyasi mar Madaraka Day mondo kiny otig apaya madonjo olare.
Madaraka Day 2025 are complete and the day's celebrations shall be held here in Homa Bay County. I also announce that arrangements have been made to ensure security and free flow of the human and vehicle traffic within Homa Bay town and its environs. I reiterate that for ease and smooth flow of traffic before, during and after the celebrations, the following advisory is hereby given to all private and public road users, including boda operators. All motorists coming from Kisumu and Kendu Bay direction and heading to Mbita, Oyugis, Rongo, Kisii, and Migori towns and have no business in Homa Bay town are advised to branch off at Olare and lead to Imbo Road before proceeding to their destinations. The road from Kodoyo Junction, bypassing the stadium to Ruma Junction, all the way to the police station and the county commissioner's offices to the state lodge will be closed and reserved for visiting dignitaries.